Have you ever wondered where the art of tattooing originated from or its cultural significance? Tattooing, an ancient art form, has served as a rite of passage, a mark of status, and a symbol of beauty across various cultures. Today we turn the spotlight onto a legendary figure in traditional tattooing, a woman who hails from the mountains of the Philippines. Her name is Apo Whang. Apo Whang is not just a tattoo artist, she's the last Mambabatak or traditional tattooist of the Kalinga ethnic group. Her canvas, the human skin, her ink, a mixture of soot and water, her tools, a thorn from a pomelo tree, a foot-long bamboo stick and a 5-inch bamboo hammer. This unique style of tattooing, known as Kalinga tattooing, is not for the faint-hearted. From the remote village of Buscalan to the international stage, Apo Whang has left an indelible mark on the art of tattooing. Now let's delve into the life and journey of this incredible artist, Apo Whang. Born in the remote mountains of the Philippines, Apo Whang's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. The tale begins in the rugged terrains of Kalinga province, where Whang was born into a world steeped in tradition and ancient customs. This is a place where the echoes of the past still resonate in the present, where heritage is not just remembered, but lived. In this environment, Whang was raised. Her childhood was one of simplicity, deeply connected to the land and their community's shared history. But it was also in these formative years that she was introduced to an art form that would not only shape her life, but also ensure the survival of a cultural tradition. The craft of tattooing was not a casual hobby in Kalinga, but rather a sacred ritual, a rite of passage, and a mark of honor. Passed down from generation to generation, the art found its way to Whang through an elder tattoo artist, a mentor who recognized her innate talent and determination. Under this elder's watchful eye, Whang learned the intricate patterns, the significance of each mark, and the traditional hand-tapping technique. Her education was not confined to the technical aspects of the craft. She was also taught the responsibility that came with being a tattoo artist, the keeper of a tradition. From a young age, Apo Whang was destined to carry on a centuries-old tradition. Apo Whang's path to mastery wasn't easy, but her passion and dedication saw her through. Embarking on a lifelong journey to become a master tattoo artist, Apo Whang was driven by an unwavering passion for her craft. She honed her skills using an ancient technique, one that has been passed down from generation to generation for a millennium. This unique method involves tapping ink into the skin using a thorn attached to a bamboo stick, a testament to the resourcefulness and ingenuity of her ancestors. This technique is not for the faint-hearted. It requires a steady hand, an artistic eye, and a deep understanding of the human body. With each tap of the bamboo stick, Apo Whang would create intricate designs, each one telling a unique story, each one a piece of art etched forever on the canvas of the skin. Her journey to mastery was paved with dedication and perseverance. She practiced tirelessly, perfecting her technique and refining her designs. Her commitment to her craft was unwavering, her passion infectious, inspiring a new generation of tattoo artists. With her mastery of this ancient technique, Apo Whang became more than just a tattoo artist. She became a guardian of a cultural heritage, a living testament to a tradition that dates back 1,000 years. Through her, an art form that was once on the brink of extinction lived on. Apo Whang through her tireless dedication, became a torchbearer of a dying art form. Apo Whang's influence goes beyond her small mountain village. This legendary tattoo artist has become a symbol of Philippine culture, her name known far and wide. Tourists from every corner of the globe have braved the rugged terrain of the Cordillera Mountains, guided by a singular purpose: to wear a piece of history on their skin, inked by the last Kalinga tattoo artist herself. Her fame isn't just about her intricate designs or her age-old technique, it's about the story that each mark tells, a story of bravery, of resilience, of a culture that refuses to fade into obscurity, and it is this story that draws people in, compelling them to undertake a journey of thousands of miles to receive a tattoo from Apo Whang. But the legend of Apo Whang isn't just about the past, it's also about the future. Recognizing the importance of preserving her craft, she made a decision that would ensure the survival of her art form. She chose to pass on her skills to the next generation, training her grandniece Grace in the traditional methods that have been in their family for centuries. This choice wasn't made lightly. It came with the understanding that the art of Kalinga tattooing is more than just a skill. It is a cultural treasure, a lifeline connecting the past and the present, the old and the new. By teaching Grace, Apo Whang Ode has breathed new life into an ancient tradition, ensuring its survival in a world that is constantly changing. The legend of Apo Whang Ode is one that will never fade. It will live on in the hearts of those who bear her tattoos, in the tales of those who braved the journey to her remote village, and in the hands of her grandniece, who will continue to ink the stories of their ancestors onto the skin of the next generation. In her twilight years, Apo Whang Ode has ensured that her legacy will live on in the hands of her apprentices. Her story is a testament to the power of tradition, the importance of cultural preservation, and the enduring allure of a well-told tale. Apo Whang Ode's contribution to the tattoo industry and her cultural significance cannot be overstated. This remarkable woman, known as the last Mambabatok, has left an indelible mark not just on the skin of countless individuals, but on the very fabric of tattoo culture globally. Her unique style, deeply rooted in the history and traditions of the Kalinga tribe, has sparked a renewed interest in traditional tattooing. In an era where machines have become the norm, her hand-tapped method is a testament to the resilience of ancient practices. Moreover, Apo Whang Ode has played a pivotal role in preserving a dying art form. By passing on her knowledge to the younger generation, she has ensured that this ancient practice continues to thrive in the modern world. Her work serves as a powerful reminder of our cultural roots, emphasizing the beauty of tradition in an increasingly modernized world. Apo Whang Ode, the last Mambabatok, will forever be remembered as a true legend in the world of tattooing.